we're currently going to the beach. We're gonna stop to get some breakfast first, and we're gonna get some, and then we're gonna go. So we're just gonna keep you guys updated. Okay, we're at Mooney's. This is where we're gonna get the, what are we getting?
Chopped cheese.
Chopped cheese.
For breakfast.
Yeah. Yeah.
Crazy work. Breakfast of champions.
Yes. Yeah, and I think I'm gonna grab a drink actually. Because let me see. What do I want? Oh, I know what I want. I want a Snapple. Apple. Yes, I do.
I like those.
One of these?
Yeah, the
Okay. You have to back up a little bit.
What good quality this camera is.
Are you excited to go to the beach?
Yes, I am more excited to eat
Yeah, I know. Me too.
and drink. Drink.
You're gonna drink
A lot. Not too much.
No, not too
Gotta
much.
drive.
Oh yeah. Okay, so I think I'm gonna just go for something low calorie to drink because we're already eating a lot of bread. So I might just grab like a Coke Zero. I know it's early. It's like literally, what time is it? It's like 8, 9, something like that. I don't know. We just paid for $40 for some chopped cheeses.
Don't tell people I got ripped off.
We got ripped off because that's actually insane.
Yeah.
So we're just going to eat now real quick before we head out.
And wait for the liquor store to open.
Yeah, and then we're going to actually rate it to see if it's really worth it. I had it here from one time once on a roll. It was good, but now I'm with my boyfriend, so it means everything is completely different. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay guys, we're officially on our way to the beach and it's 9:21 because we ate and we made a few stops. We got some snacks. We got ranch Doritos, and then I tried these for the first time. The cheddar fries.
Yeah, cheddar fries.
They're actually really good. I actually really like them. My boyfriend said they kind of taste like onions, like with cheese, and it's true. We get copyrighted from using this music.
Look at all the stuff they got over here.
Oh,
Better off in there. That's like right there too, so.
wow.
Oh, I mean, look, the spot's over here.
This is so nice. Look at that water thing back there. Everything is so cute here. We're gonna pay for parking now, and then yeah, we're really gonna be here for like 3 hours. Hello. Do you need help?
I have a girlfriend.
What?
I have a girlfriend.
Oh, really?
I'm fine.
Okay, we are finally settled. I am sitting down. Yeah. There's dolphins in the water. I think this is as close as I can get. Okay, I'm currently tanning. What? Okay, so we got in the water.
There's a shark who tried to fight me.
For
What happened to you?
we got in the water for like 30 minutes or so. Maybe less, actually. Maybe less than 30, I don't know.
30 minutes.
Yeah. Crazy waves.
Yeah, crazy waves.
I think this is my first time getting in the water here. Because this water is so cold, but I just said fuck it. And I
More
got
like
in
me
it.
holding her in the water.
Yeah, he was holding me for a long time. The water was cold, but it was fun. And then the waves almost took
Might stop by the tiki bar. A couple shots.
A tiki bar? Where is it? Oh, this one. Oh, this breeze is nice.
I'm just standing here.
You look so dark. We're back on the boardwalk. Ooh, honestly, it feels so nice. You look so good. Hi there.
So,
Cute.
nah, that's crazy. They said I look old.
Yeah, bro from the tiki
What's
bar
that-
said
what's
you
that
look
noise?
old.
He looked at me. He said, "Yeah, don't worry. They'll let you in." Says to you. I was like, "Nah, sorry." He's like, "Nah." I didn't let her in. Alright.
This is cute.
Honestly, from what I remember, the one at the Essex Zoo.
Okay, but he's gonna win me a gift. He's gonna try. Let's see. I said the pink one. No! You're lying. No, you're not. He's falling for this scam. That's what's happening right now. He's falling for the scam. Okay, let's see. It's right there. Oh my gosh. Are you joking?
Nah, it's like
I'm telling you, it's
honestly, I could probably get you the brown one.
I don't know. Okay, he said one more try. Okay,
Or the blue one.
whichever one, let's see. The one that's closer, yeah. Let's see. Are you serious? One more? No.
It keeps taking my money.
Okay, go. We have to go left a little bit, yeah. There. Uh-oh. No, it just bounced it. Literally,
That's what
this is literally a scam. He said last one, like 3 tries ago. I don't even know. Oh my god, I'm scared.
drinking because this should get him done.
I literally said, oh my god. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, he said now he's gonna try this one. It's already like $7. Okay, Mr. Concentrated. Let me see. Oh my god. This is fake. This is crazy. No. Okay, he said keep recording because I'm gonna win. This is just crazy right here. Let's see. One more try, that's it, okay? Oh my gosh. Oh my god, give me. Wait, this is so, no, this is like, this is literally, yes. What did you say before?
Only cost me $10.
What?
Dinosaur?
No. This is funny. This is all the games that I know how. Okay, I said I wanted this pink one. And now, he's gonna play. Oh my god, wait, let me get on this side. Oh my god, I'm scared. One more? I'm scared. Okay, $1 more, fine. I'll let it slide. Oh, sorry.
You will not have it.
Okay, I'm okay with that.
Yeah, it's not. It's like upgrade. Not even value.
Okay, either this one or the pink one right there. I already have this one, so. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. This is the last try for this one. Oh my god, no! Oh my god.
I'm going to win.
Oh my god. No!
I'm in the wrong profession.
You need to stop.
They make so much money here.
You need to stop. I said I should have said I wanted it, but it's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, last try. Okay, last try. No! No! Oh my god, I'm excited. I'm actually excited. Oh, it's so cute.
You dig it?
$2 to play. He says this is it. Right here. We're going for this giant squid right here. He said he found this one even bigger. What? Oh wait, this is actually cute. This is actually really cute. I like the duck.
The duck, you said?
Yeah. This. Let's see. Oh my gosh. If I get that duck, I'm gonna be the happiest person in the world. What is it doing? Wow, that goes in really deep. No. Babe.
I'm not gonna get this one.
Oh, it feels so nice in here. Aw. This is cute. Oh, these are shark slides. This is so cute. This one is the most relatable one. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. I just took a bite of the apple that we got. This is the caramel and the white chocolate one with the Granny Smith apple. I gotta say, so good. He still hasn't tried it yet, but this is the bite I took. Here, you give it a bite. Damn, girl. Get a big bite. That's refreshing and sweet and nice. What do you think?
It's good.
Yeah, I think it's really good too. Honestly, I really like it. But we're on the way back now. I do look very tan actually. And so do you. So, it was a good beach day. What are you rated, babe?
10 out of 10, bro.
Yeah, 10 out of 10 because now we're gonna go eat and he's just gonna go to work. I'm probably gonna do some homework and get ready and stuff. So, like shower and stuff. So, yeah. 10 out of 10, baby.
10 out of 10, baby.
Yeah.